Fundamental modes of heat transfer. Heat transfer is defined as the transmission of energy from one region to another region. As a result, temperature gradient takes place. It is happened by the following three modes: 1. Conduction. 2. Convection. 3. Radiation. In the majority of the cases, heat transmission occurs as a result of combinations of all three modes of heat transfer. Example: the water in a boiler shell. 1. Conduction. Conduction is the transfer of heat from one part of a substance to another part of the same substance, or from one substance to another in physical contact with it. Conduction mechanism in solids. By lattice vibration, the faster moving molecules or atoms in the hottest part of a body transfer heat by giving some of their energy to the nearby molecules. By transport of free electrons provide an energy flux in the direction of decreasing temperature. Conduction mechanism in gases. The mechanism of heat conduction is simple. The kinetic energy of a molecule is a function of temperature. These molecules are in a continuous random motion which exchanges energy and momentum. When a molecule from the high temperature region collides with a molecule from the low temperature region, it loses energy by collisions. Conduction mechanism in liquids. In liquids, the mechanism of heat is nearer to that of gases. However, the molecules are more closely spaced and intermolecular forces come into play. 2. Convection. Convection is the transfer of heat within a fluid by mixing one portion of the fluid with another. Convection is possible only in a fluid medium and is directly linked with the transport of the medium itself. The effectiveness of heat transfer by convection largely depends on the mixing motion of the fluid. The heat flow depends on the properties of the fluid and is independent of the properties of the material of the surface. However, the shape of the surface will influence the flow and heat transfer. Types of convection. Free or natural convection. It occurs where the fluid circulates by virtue of the natural differences in densities of hot and cold fluids. Forced convection. When the work is done to blow or pump the fluid, then it is called forced convection. 3. Radiation. Radiation is the transfer of heat through space or matter by means other than conduction or convection. This is it for today's video. Let us know in the comment section which topic you want to see next. Before leaving, check the exclusive offers, link in the description below. And do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. To find out more on the subject, continue watching the next video.